Hey guys, wanna know how to change your vehicle skin in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, what you need to do is open up your PUBG Mobile application, and once you're there, you should be provided with this page right here. Now, on the bottom right, you can see your inventory. Just simply select inventory, and on the right tab, you can see this wheel-like icon. Just simply press on it. Now right here, if you have a skin, you should be provided with a skin. And if you want to change the vehicle, here you can see this small drop down menu. Just simply press on it and then select in your vehicle. So for now, I have a skin of buggy, so I'm just selecting buggy, and right here I have a skin. Just simply select your skin right here, and once you've done that, your skin should be automatically equipped, and you can just simply close the panel. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.